Welcome. This is Neco year 2019 Civic Education Past Question. Question number 32 says, the style of leadership based on customs of the people is regarded as dash authority. First of all, what is leadership? Leadership is the adjectival form of the noun. Adjectival form of the noun word called leader. So this means that a leader is a noun while leadership is adjective. Then when we talk of customs of the people, it relates to the norms and practice of the people, or synonymously tradition. So option A, administrative; B, legal; C, political; D, spiritual; E, traditional. Now when we talk of administrative authority, it has to do with office. It has to do with office or institutions or organization where power flow from the top hierarchy down to the bottom, or from the top officer to the subordinate. Then legal authority is accustomed to law, so you can find this in judicial institution. Then I want to talk about political authority. Political authority is attained through election, and it is bestowed on politicians or political leaders, political office holders, like the president, the governor. Then spiritual authority is also known as episcopacy authority. So find this in church or mosque. Then traditional authority is that authority that relates to norms and custom of the people, like the Obi in the southeast, Oba in the west, and Emir in the north. So by this, option E is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe for more videos.